Okay, this is 5 and 6 for the friction 5 for the U-Texas. Then number 5, net force is equal to mass times acceleration. So we're just going to say both mass and acceleration are 1 at first. So that equals 1 times 1, which will equal 1. And then if the net force is increased by a factor of 5.1, the new net force is just 5.1, because 1 times 5.1 is 5.1. And the mass is going to stay the same because it says the same object. It's at a cart, so it's the same object. So the mass is still going to be 1. Then you have to find the new acceleration. And 5.1 divided by 1 will equal acceleration. So that acceleration is going to equal 5.1. And that means since our original acceleration was 1 from up here, then it increased by a factor of 5.1. So your answer is just 5.1. And then number 6, you have net force. Equals mass times acceleration, and you want your original net force to equal your last net force, so just remember MA equals MA. And so the acceleration was 2.7 for the beginning one, and we're just going to say mass is 1 because that's just easy to do. So then your net force for this one will be 2.7. So then looking at this equation, you just have your new equation to be your net force is 2.7 again because you're keeping your net forces the same. And then your new mass is 0.6 because it said it's 0.6 of the original mass. So then you solve for your acceleration. So this is MA equals MA. So then 2.7 divided by 0.6 will equal A, which equals 4.5. And then once the factor is increased by, not just your acceleration, so it increased by 4.5 divided by 2.7, and that'll equal 1.6 repeating, and that's your answer.